Hi everybody, welcome to channel. This is going to be a quick video. I'm working on a sunscreen formulation since many of you asked me for a sunscreen. So actually I have two prototypes here I just want to show you. So I formulated this too. This is a spray. It's an oil-based spray. And I just want to show you that little, just to see. It's a bit liquid as you can see. But it's really, really nice. Feel to it. So I'm going to release the formulation of this one very soon, but actually I'm also having a little quick announcement. I'm going to a holiday from Wednesday. I will be around 10 days off, so I won't be able to release it, but at least I will test these ones. So this is just like a oil formula, and this is a water to oil formula as a cream. So this one is a bit more intense, as you'll see it, like it's very, very intense. So, and the key ingredient for this, as you can see, it's a little bit white cast, but it just it disappears as you spread it along. So these two, I will release them. I'm just need a little bit tweak on their. I just need a little bit tweak on their formulation, and I will release them possibly in a couple of weeks time, not too late. I know you're very impatient, but I also want to give you a little bit of tips. So if you want to formulate yourself, I came across this company called Antaria, and this company is Australia based. You can order these from their website. I'm going to leave the link for their website where you can order these. They're not too expensive, but yeah, if you wanted to try them, first of all, they do. And also, just to give you an advance, this is not sponsored. I bought these myself, so you can also order them. I'm not sponsored. I just come across because I quite like their philosophy, their ethicness, and they're quite ethical. And the guy who found it has actually had quite bad sunburns and some kind. I think he has also kinds of cancer information, but I can read it through. I'm gonna put the link down there. So this one is Zinc Organic, so it's a Cosmos approved EcoCert and a vegan zinc. So this is for like a normal zinc oxide that you can use it. It gives you, there's a guideline of the SPF rating. If you want to achieve it, you can use this material to, if you want to disperse it, and how to use it. There are a couple of guidelines, but you can use, this is really really good for making a mineral based sunscreen, especially for kids, vegan, and you can also use this in other forms like in lip balm and things like that, which is also I have I'm going to do a lip balm with an SPF that's also in works. And this is the very innovative material from them. So this is called Zinc Oxide SPF XP65 COCO. So this is 65% dispersed already in cocoa capsulate. So it's also vegan and organic as well. You can use it. You can formulate 100% mineral just using this material. It's very gooey, so you need to, let me just show it to you. Very, very gooey substance. You can see it from here. So I'm gonna put a little bit here, and then you can see it. So the goodness of this is a little bit like a shortcut. You don't have to worry about dispersing the zinc. You can see it's a really white material. It's already dispersed. So zinc, and the good thing is already dispersed in cocoa capsulate. So it's a very, very or you can use this in organic formulations, and cocoa capsulate is a very good material. It's a very light material, so it's really, really, I really like it what they've done with this. And if you want to order these materials, again, you can order them from the link below. You can have a read through them. They ship it worldwide. So yeah, but this is sort of like if you want to make a material like these ones that I'm formulating, you can simply use this material up to around 30%. They have a guideline as well. I put a link for their guidelines. And you can make a sunscreen just using this material, like oil based, like a milky. This is just oil. There's no water in this material. This is just an oil based material. So it's an oil based, very light, like a milk, but there's no water in this one. This one, as I mentioned, is a water to oil base, around 20% oil in this one. I'm a little bit tired. I don't have the full energy to show you, and I was actually away at the weekend. I couldn't get the chance to record it, but I wanted to show you these materials that I'm working on it. So I hear you. So with these materials, you can also tint them because it's quite white. If you add some kind of mica into this, it will become really, really colorful. So it's another idea that I'm working on. But as you can see, this one is a really nice cream that it spreads. But the goodness of also this material is that it disperses with no white cast. It's so easy. You can make like no, as you can see, there's no white cast left. So it's really, really innovative material in this one is, and there's a guideline of like how much you can use it to achieve equal and SP rating. So the challenge with this one, if you're making 100% oil formula like a body oil, you can use quite like around 35%, and then you can achieve around up to 40. If you want to go higher, SPF 50, you have to include more, but then it's just going to become like super white. But as I mentioned, you can add some micas in it and it becomes a tinted. If you want to make it like a pink color, you can make you can make really fun formulations. You can with this one too. The challenge is that if you want to achieve really high rating of SPF, you have to use a lot of this material, and that is gonna make emulsion, like a water to oil emulsion, because your formula is gonna be like 60-70% oil. So that's why it's a little bit more tricky to make a sun cream. But this one is actually gonna work out fine. I've been testing it for a couple of days, so I'm happy with it. It's quite thick at the moment. You can't really, get anything. And but I'm happy. You can just put it in here, and it's quite nice. So yeah, this is the update I wanted to give you. And sorry, I haven't been able to record quite fast as I would like to. You can also make a gel with this. I think one of the couple of questions that I get if I make a gel, it's also in the works. So, but unfortunately, I won't be able to post anything for the next couple of days. No, well, a couple of weeks, because I'm going on Wednesday. I'll be back next Saturday, but I'll try to keep you updated. And as soon as I'm back, I'm gonna continue recording, and also I'll get the chance to test these as well. So, yeah, so you can make a nice body oil with this material, and also with this cream as well. I'll give you the formulation once I'm happy with them. So, I'm just testing for their stability, just if there's no separation or anything like that. And yeah, so this is the zinc oxide. So this is 100% non-nano zinc, and and it's uncoated zinc. So, and it's also reef safe. So as you can see here, there's reef safe, cruelty free, reef safe, and also UVA, UVB, blue light. It's really, really broad spectrum zinc oxide that you can use. So yeah, yeah, that's the update from me. Hope you're keeping well, and I will see you next time when I will do the full recording. And yeah, I have really got a couple of ideas. I will do a gel version. I will do a lip balm with SPF. I know a lot of people are like going around asking for a lip balm with SPF. And yeah, so this is called XP65 COCO, and I will give you links for these. And if you want to order them, you can. They ship worldwide, and they're quite very friendly people. If you have questions for them, you can also ask them as well. So yeah, I wanted to give you a quick update about my sun screen formulations. Hope you're keeping well, and I will see you next time. Bye.